Welcome back to TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2018, where the scores are Linstead Primary on 18 points, Our Lady of the Angels Prep on 15 points. Just a little word for our viewers. Davane had gotten a question incorrectly in his social studies section of the Junior Challenge Face-Off. The question should have thrown over to Jaden Nunes, however, I did not. And so during the break, we were asking Jaden if he would like a question to answer in replacement for that. His answer, however, was no. He turned us down. So the scores remain 18 points for Linstead Primary, Our Lady of the Angels Prep on 15 points as we head into the final challenge. Now in this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 if the answer is incorrect or if they answer before being identified. This section lasts for 4 minutes. As you can see, that time is on our NCB Insurance Omni Educator clock. Teams, all the best. We begin our final challenge with international affairs. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. He's the president of Panama, Juan Carlos Varela. Sports. With which sport would you associate Jack Nicklaus? It's golf. Bible knowledge. When Joseph was in prison, whose dream did he correctly interpret to mean he would be restored to his job? Linstead.
The baker.
It's incorrect. It's the butler. Science. What sweet food is made by bees using nectar from Linstead?
Honey. Honey.
That's correct. English language. Spell mechanical. Linstead.
MECHANICAL.
That's correct. Music. Which former Digicel Rising Star winner has entered the X Factor competition in the UK? Linstead?
Dalton Harris. Dalton Harris.
In 2018, that's correct. General knowledge. Who is the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? Linstead?
Theresa May. Theresa May.
That's correct. Television visual question. Teams, look at the monitor. Identify this person. She's Shannon Purcell. Mathematics, what is the sum of 196 and 34.29? Time's up. It's 230.29. Social studies, the image of national hero Sam Sharp appears on which Jamaican currency note? Linstead.
$50. $50 note.
That's correct. Television. Who voices the role of Sandy Cheeks in the popular television Our Lady of the Angels?
It's Caroline. What's her last name? It's Caroline.
Time's up. Question was in the popular TV series SpongeBob SquarePants. It was Caroline Lawrence. Sports, a visual question. Teams, look at the monitor. Identify this person. He's West Indies cricketer Evan Lewis. Bible knowledge. What disease was Miriam Linstead?
Leprosy. Leprosy.
The sister of Moses struck with for disrespecting her brother. Leprosy is correct. Science. To what food group do peanuts belong? Linstead.
Legumes. Legumes.
That's correct. English language. Spell machinery. Linstead.
MACHINERY.
That's correct. Music. Complete the name of this R&B group. Destinies. Linstead.
Child. Child.
That's correct. General knowledge. What's the capital of Chile? Linstead.
Santiago. Santiago.
That's correct. Local affairs. Who is the member of parliament for St. Andrew Eastern? Linstead.
Peter Phillips. Peter Phillips.
That's incorrect. It's Favour Williams. Mathematics. What's the product of 68 and 7? Our Lady of the Angels.
476.
That's correct. Social studies. Jamaicans have GCT payments added to their purchases. What does Our Lady of the Angels?
Tax.
What does GCT stand for? It's General Consumption Tax. That's incorrect. Bible knowledge. Who was known as the forerunner of Jesus? Linstead.
John the Baptist. John the Baptist.
Forerunner of Jesus, John the Baptist is correct. English language. Does the word intoxicated mean Linstead?
Drunk.
Mean lazy, drunk, or foolish drunk is correct. And that bell signifies the end of our match with Linstead Primary on 38 points. Our Lady of the Angels Prep on 13 points. That means a hearty congratulations to you, Linstead Primary. Very good efforts by you, Our Lady of the Angels Prep. Stay with us. We'll wrap things up when we get back.